Hi guys, welcome to Orchids 365. Real quick, I'm going to show you how I pot up my orchid into something that sets it up for success. These used to be sold in the stores in a little plastic container that you can remove, water, drain out and put back, but this is planted directly into a plastic pot that has no drainage. I haven't even been able to water her. I usually don't plant them until the flower falls out, but this is solely for educational purposes. I really wanted to show you. So this is my stone pot. This is another one that I took out of one of those pots a while ago. This one is completely in moss. Now you can, if your preference with your phals are moss because you can control the rain that it gets or the water, then you can do moss. I like to try two different ways depending on the area that I grow them outside. So today I'm probably going to use my bark mix. So it's bark, charcoal, sponge rock, and the mix that this is sitting in looks pretty fresh. Who knows if we can maybe use it. So I let it dry and I'm squeezing it, and ooh, I even see something developing down there. So I want to be careful because I kind of want to enjoy these flowers. So I just found out that it is sitting in a plastic pot, and I didn't know that before. Oh, there's something in there that I don't want to. Ooh, yuck. So I actually could keep this. This is good. Couldn't take her out, so I thought it was planted directly in the pot. Either way, I don't think it's a good idea. Even if you do water it and put it in there, it can't breathe. They need air. I don't know why. Okay, so this is a little bit decomposing, looking like soil. I don't like it. Healthy roots, don't want to disturb it too much. Oh, there. I found the plug of death here. Look, see that? You gotta take that out. Because if you leave it there, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so usually I recommend you get something to cut it with, but this is so you don't hurt roots, but this doesn't have a lot of roots in it, and the ones that it does are, see this thing? They use this because, you know, these things travel and they go to markets and big box, and then this keeps it extra wet. So if you don't take this out, eventually it'll just be too much moisture. So this came out very, very easily because I let her dry out before I did this with that intent. So we're not reusing any of this mush that it was sitting in, and we took out the plug of death. So now we put a little bit of this in the bottom, try for size. And like I said, don't do this when it's blooming, but I just wanted to show you what a difference it would make to see her growing in something like this as opposed to something like that. And I even went ahead and I made stone pot saucers, and these are pretty because, I don't know, it just makes you happy. It's a decorative piece, and it breaks my heart because people use phals to decorate homes, and then the flower falls out, the flower goes in the garbage. You can put these outside when it doesn't have a flower, put them back inside when you want it for decoration, and I feel like, I don't know, it's just gonna help always have something blooming. I've been growing several Phalaenopsises in these pots, and my goal is to offer them at the shows in an effort to have people buy things that are gonna bring them joy and keep on blooming, you know, over and over again. You really don't have to put too much stuff in it.